Are you an automation maintenance technician with expertise in mechanical, pneumatic, and electrical systems for robotics and end-of-arm tooling setup? Automate America has a fantastic opportunity for you. We're looking for a professional to join our team in Phoenix, Arizona to support packaging and material handling applications. While experience with Mitsubishi robots and Keyence vision systems is beneficial, it's not mandatory. You'll collaborate with our engineers to install custom end-of-arm tooling and receive on-site training on our proprietary software and vision systems. This 3-month contract starts on February 12, 2024, offering a competitive rate of $60 per hour with travel expenses covered. If you're ready to advance your career in automation and work with cutting-edge technology, visit automateamerica.com today. Don't miss out on this exciting opportunity to be part of the future of work.